Kiyotaki sa
Ay, lamig. Dito pa sila. Ayan na. Base ka na. Hindi mo kakayanin yan sa taas na kaganyan ka. Mangurug-urug ka doon. Hey, love. You should have bring the kettle.
Told ya.
I told you. Ayan na. Maputis. Dito na kami sa Merimba. Merimba. Monsterling. Ayan na yung bus natin. Let's have a look. Don't worry. That's it. Alam, mas mabigat to. Tumamim. Ah, ayan na.
There's water.
We're going to the bus na.
What's your name?
Heidi
Heidi.
Laskowski.
Yeah, Laskowski.
Yeah.
4 of you?
4 adults and 1 child.
Him?
Dito ka na, kasi si Dada na dito. Dito kayo, ma. I love him. Oh, dyan na kayo, Dada. Ayan.
I've turned on the sunshine for you today. full of sunshine, we call this. So please come back here.
So we come back here. We're here now in Manbula, so it's so foggy at the moment. It's so foggy and you can see properly. Where are we going now?
Anyway.
Anywhere. Malamig man? Hindi. It's nice.
That's just the wind.
We can go up there. Alam mo nung nag-pray ako na dalhin ako ni Lord sa Canada, New Zealand, Australia. This is the best country na nilagay niya ako kasi alam ng Lord na di ko kakayanin yung sobrang lamig. Ayan. Be careful sa Oh!
Ay.
What are you guys doing? Say hello, guys.
Hello guys, we got the snow, Mount Bula, yay!
The bus is here. The bus is here. Mate.
No, really? No.
Hello. Sit down there. There you go. Welcome to this Norland, Ma. Oh, can't see ya.
Can't see that far in front of you.
Can't see anything because it's so foggy, but it's so cold. Look at this. It's water. Ma, nag-ano ka na, naggapang-gapang ka na.
Kailangan na putulin.
Oh, we get nowhere to go and we can see the area properly because of the fog. But it's not that bad. It's not that cold. Let's go here.
Is it recording?
It is.
It is.
Yan, ganyan, ganyan. Hello! Hi! Be, kunin mo nga yung ano natin, yung bag. Here. Let's have lunch. Kain tayo mga besh. The sun is out. 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Dito tayo nag-picture dati. This one's very nice.
It is, isn't it?
Yeah. The view.
It's not on the top of the mountain over there.
I know. There's a lot. Look, all of the mountains. They're all...
It's that wind pissed off, they're nice.
Make it round. Ito. Making a video. Yung bag ko. Ayan.
Shape ko lang.
That looks nice. He's a smoker. You get a long cigarette.
Oh shit.
Don't give him a toy toy?
No,
No, you're not giving him a toy toy.
Okay, I'll take a photo of you. Nigel, ang daming nagpapa-picture sa snowman mo.
I'm a master guy. Master. Should I make another one?
No, that's fine.
Okay na yan?
It's so nice. Nigel made a snowman. Some people are taking a video of it.
Gusto ko ginawa.
Hinawakan yung ulo. Tapos nalaglag na yung ulo.
Sabi ng nanay niya, don't touch it.
It's okay. At least one kid is happy because of what you've done. And good job.
You've had 2 kids. It's a different kid this time.
Yeah.
Oh, your head just come off.
Okay.
Just knocked your head off, mate.
Ano na ma? Cold na? Masyado na malamig.